Blender and Plasticity are powerful 3D modeling tools, but they serve different purposes. Let's break down and compare them to find the best fit for your needs. First, Blender. It's a free, open-source 3D creation suite, excelling in modeling, animation, rendering, and more. Its polygon workflow is ideal for organic shapes, game assets, and animations. With a vast community and endless tutorials, it's beginner-friendly but has a steep learning curve due to its complex interface. Plasticity, on the other hand, is a paid CAD-based tool starting at around $150 per month. It's focused on NURBS modeling. It's designed for hard surface modeling like console designs or 3D printing. Its intuitive UI and streamlined workflow make it easier to learn, offering precision without topology hassles. Now let's compare. Blender is free and versatile, perfect for hobbyists, animators, and organic modeling, but its interface can overwhelm beginners. Plasticity's clean UI and NURBS system shine for precise, hard surface designs, but it's less suited for animation or organic shapes and comes with a cost. Check out our charts for details. Blender suits artists and multidisciplinary creators, while Plasticity is best for designers needing precision and speed in hard surface modeling. Choose based on your project. Which will you pick? Let us know below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and happy modeling.